Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you find messages on your Slack app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to find your messages on your Slack app. So you just go down here, you click here on the MS here, just click on it in this sign. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find all messages you have or direct messages. Like you see here, I have no messages yet, or uh, here I have not sent any messages. But if you have any of this, you will find it here in this list on your Slack app. So that's all you have to do to find it here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.